Hello everyone. Section off the front of the hair, take a small section out of it, add multiple decorative rubber bands. Now take another section off the middle and begin to braid the hair. Include the rest of the sections from the rest of the hair into this braid. Start off by tying a ponytail. Add a ribbon through it and then using the sections of the ribbon as a part of the braid, roll the braid upwards and make a bun. Next, start off by dividing the hair into two portions. Tie a rubber band to the top, make a braid, roll it into a bun. Make a small braid at the bottom. Divide the hair at the top into two portions, add two rubber bands to it, roll each of these into themselves. Join them and then join it to the back ponytail. Next, make two braids from the front. Join them together as such and tie them accordingly. Begin to braid the hair as such. Add a clip. Divide the hair into four portions, add multiple rubber bands at the bottom. As for the side, braid the hair, roll it up. Take a small section off the front of the hair, tie a rubber band to it, roll it in on itself. Braid the bottom as well. Take a section of the front of the hair, add a rubber band. Divide it into two portions, section it, add more rubber bands. Make a section of the top of the hair and then make a braid out of it. Divide the sections into two parts and then make two more braids. Make a heart shape out of this. Make two braids on either side, join it all at the back. Divide the hair into 6 parts as such. As for the bottom, make two braids out of it, crisscross it, join it to the next level. Make a bun from the top. Take a small section of the hair from the top, make two braids out of it. Join them all together into the ponytail. Join two rubber bands together as such. Now add another one to make it look like a bunny. Take a section from the front, add multiple rubber bands as such. Add a section at the back as well. Take a section of the hair of the front. Make a braid out of it. At the back, take two more sections surrounded with it. Roll the hair in on itself. Tie a ponytail. Take a section of the middle of the scalp, divide it into multiple portions. Now take a section of the front, begin to braid it. As you braid the hair, take more and more sections from the central section as well. Do this all around. Use bobby pins to fasten it in its place. Take a section off the top of the scalp and then make two braids out of it. Add multiple rubber bands on the front, make two ponytails at the back. Divide the hair, take the top section, make a braid out of it. Underneath it, add multiple sections. Tie a ponytail with the rest of the hair. Make a fishtail braid at the bottom. Thank you for watching.